triangles we are going to learn. Okay. So now here, before going to learn the congruence and all the things, let us discuss the basics related to the triangle. Can anyone define what is meant by triangle? Can anyone define what is meant by a triangle?
A triangle is a shape with 3 sides, 3 angles, and 3 vertices.
A shape with the 3 sides, 3 vertices, and
3 angles.
3 angles. But here, do remember that they are the parts of the triangle. Actually, whenever you define any definition, do remember, very good. I appreciate you for your answer. Very good. But the thing you have to remember, whenever you define a thing, actually you are going to know here sides, vertices, and whenever you take that, yes, that is a correct definition, whatever you have given, but it can be defined in another way also. Still anyone? Other? Another way of definition.
A triangle is a figure.
Board is clear. Here, this triangle is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No, sir, fully not clear.
But if it is visible to you for the some members, then here signal is here clear. Already I told you. If one is said it is visible, then okay. The others can view the video afterwards. Okay. Now if you say yes, someone is going to say.
a triangle is a polygon with 3 edges and 3 vertices.
Yes. Polygon. What is meant by a polygon?
Sir, any geometrical shape, sir?
No. Any geometrical shape is not called a polygon. Suppose I am saying.
A closed figure.
What is meant by a closed figure?
So which doesn't have any end point.
It doesn't have any end point. Okay, that's good.
Sir?
Very good. Yes. Tell me.
Sir, if polygon is a plane figure which is described by a number of lines.
What? Come again.
So closed figure with with line segments, with more than 3 line segments.
Yes, good. 3 line segments, not more than 3 lines. Polygon is nothing but, yes. Polygon, whenever you take into consider, polygon definition is a simple closed figure. See here, whenever you define the polygon, you use the polygon. Polygon with the 3 sides is called as a triangle. But what is meant by a polygon? Again a doubt. So that polygon is nothing but a simple closed figure bounded by the 3 or more line segments. Simple closed figure. What is meant by a closed figure? So these are the first basic things in a figure. Whenever 2-dimensional figures, whenever you take into consider, you are going to get. What is meant by a closed figure is nothing but simple definition. You can use closed figure. When you start drawing a figure, 2-dimensional figure, okay, any closed figure. So figure, if you are drawing, from here I have started. And if I come somewhere else, going here and here and somewhere else, and again I came back here and end, then you can consider this as a closed figure. You can consider this as a closed figure. Somewhere, whatever it is closed figure. But simple closed figure is nothing but, suppose if I take here, this is also closed figure, but it is not closed. Simple closed figure. What is meant by simple closed? These are all the basics you learned in the 8th class only. What is meant by simple closed figure? When you draw the line, any line, when you draw the figure, the line should not cross itself, the previous line wherever you are drawing. If it is not crossing the line what you have drawn, then that figure is called as a simple figure. This is a simple closed figure. This is not a simple closed. Simple? It is a closed figure, but it is not a simple figure. Okay, polygon is nothing but a simple closed figure bounded by line segment. Bounded by line segment. Line segment होना है सर. Yes sir. Whatever it is, yes, it is closed. Here I have started here, and lines I am drawing here, and here I am ending. Again, closed figure है. Simple crossing नहीं है. Simple closed figure है. Then you can call it as a polygon. So that's why triangle, whenever you take into consider, exactly the triangle definition whenever you take into consider, simply you can give the triangle definition as a simple closed figure bounded by 3 line segments. A simple closed figure bounded by 3 line segments is called a triangle. A triangle like this you take, and to name the triangle, this is the triangle. These 3 points are called vertices. These are the parts of the triangle. This point, this point, and this point. These 3 points are called vertices. AB, BC, AC. AB, BC, line segment. AC are called sides. These are called sides. And points A, comma B, comma C are called vertices. These are called vertices. And angle A, angle B, angle C. These are the angles. There will be 3 angles, 3 vertices, 3 sides for a triangle. And coming to the properties of the triangle, whenever you take into consider, angle, some properties you have learned in lines and rays. So sum of the 3 angles, three interior angles of a triangle. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees is the one property. Okay. Next, exterior angle property. Exterior, if one side is produced, then if angle is formed here, you consider here x. Angle ACX will be is equals to. So do remember one more property is there for the triangles. That is, this exterior angle will be always greater than the each interior opposite angle. ये दोनों से ये ज़्यादा होता है. दोनों का मिलाने से नहीं, दोनों का मिलाने से equal होता है. Individually, whenever you take, this is more than this one, this is more than this one. Each exterior angle is more than, it is greater than the exterior angle is greater than the each interior opposite angle. Interior opposite angle, ये इससे नहीं, इससे कम भी हो सकता है, because wherever you take into consider obtuse angle triangle like this, the triangle is taken into consider, and this one extend कर दिया, ये इससे ज़्यादा नहीं है, कम. But this will be more than this one, and this will be more than this one, and more, and as well as this will be equal to sum of these two. Angle ACX will be equal to angle A plus angle B. Exterior angle property. It is called exterior angle property. And coming to the sides, whenever you take into consider, length of the sides whenever you take into consider, the property that we are going to learn here, inequalities of a triangle, in this chapter you are going to learn. Now let us go for the, what is the definition of the, what is meant by a congruency? What is meant by a congruency? So I'm going to write congruent figure first. Two figures are said to be congruent if they have the same size and same shape. Write these definitions in your notebook, and you can extract some important useful points from your textbook, and you also can create the notes. Your notebook should be very innovative and creative. So do remember that. Okay? So now here, whenever you take congruent figure, two figures are said to be congruent if they have same shape and same size. Simple if you are figures. I am talking about the figures, not only triangle. Okay. So same size and same figure. Suppose if you take into consider, this is the one circle, and I am taking another circle inside it. These two are not congruent. These two are not congruent because one is smaller and other one is bigger. Clearly, it is visible to you. Suppose if I have taken a side, a square with a 4 centimeters, I have given to you, and the name of this square is ABCD. Another square I have taken into consider. The name of the square is MNOP. And here I have given this side is 4 centimeters. These two figures are also congruent figures. Here I have given these are squares. These are squares. In the words I am saying, this is ABCD is a square with the side AB equal to 4 centimeters. Why? Because here the one side is 4, the remaining are also 4. Here one side is 4, the remaining are also 4. And if you place this one on this one, congruent figures is nothing but very simple. If you place one on another one, simple you take from the a tree. Symmetry. Symmetry whenever you consider symmetrical. Two figures should be symmetrical whenever you place. Suppose you may think that, sir, if I place this one on the another, ulta सीधा रखूंगा, तो सब coincide नहीं होता है ना? No. When you rotate it, somewhere else they should coincide. See, these two hands are coincide, and it is looking like a single hand only. If I show it to you like this, so that means the figures formed along the border lines with this hand can be congruent. The two figures may be irregular figures also. Figures may be different figures also if they coincide. Now this is any figures if you take into consider, they are congruent. And coming to the congruent triangle congruency. Congruent triangle. So which triangles are called congruent triangles? Suppose triangle ABC if you take into consider, and triangle XYZ if you take into consider. Triangle ABC. They are said to be congruent if they are same size and same shape in a word terminology. Otherwise, if their corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding sides is nothing but its sides क्या है AB. AB का corresponding side. If I say that these two triangles are congruent, the symbol for congruency is this one. Most of the students will write in a wrong way. Do remember very clearly this one. I am writing in a bigger. Some students will write this one. This is wrong. See, I am clearly saying to you, congruent symbol most of the students will write in a wrong way. Mirror images की जैसा लिखता है. This is the correct way of writing. Actually, some students will write this. Okay, so this is wrong. Whenever you take it, the congruent symbol is this one. Two triangles are said to be congruent if their corresponding sides are equal and corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding sides is nothing but here. If you take into consider, AB का corresponding side है XY. BC का corresponding side, BC second letter, third letter. Here we third, second and third. YZ. Sir, if I write ZY, what is it wrong? Can anyone tell? AC is equal to XZ. Angle A is equal to angle X. Angle B is equal to angle Y. Angle C is equal to angle Z. Is it audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
If I write BC is equals to ZY, BC is equals to ZY, is it wrong?
Sir, your board is blur.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
You are audible, sir, but the board is black.
Yes, sir.
From the standing onward or now?
The board is clear.
Clear है?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Black, sir.
Clear है.
किसी को क्लियर है तो क्लियर है.
clear.
प्रॉब्लम Okay,
Board is
network
clear.
problem is there in the past 2 days onwards. Some problem is going on. So it may be difficult in your area. So don't get panic.
Yes, sir. So now it is clear, sir.
Yes, थोड़ा सा problem है. Don't worry about that. Now I have written to you here. I wrote here BC is equals to ZY. I have written. If I write like that, is it wrong or right?
Wrong.
No, right.
So it is right.
It is right. Why? Here, don't get confused. Side can be named in any way. I am talking about the side YZ. YZ, ZY, both are same only. YZ and ZY, both are same only. Side. Naming the side can be in any way. Suppose if I write AB is equals to YX. No, it is not wrong. If AB is equals to, sir, XY होना है ना? Side XY or side YX, both are same. Side I am saying. The length of the side. We are discussing about the length of the side here. That's why I am not writing upon any line. That is length of the side. Do remember that. Okay? So this, if the two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding sides are equal, corresponding angles are equal. Then the two triangles are equal. But here it is not necessary that, okay, I am going to give you some questions to you, and I want especially you people to learn the naming the triangle congruency. Naming the triangle congruency. Suppose I have taken a triangle here like this. A, B, C. This is 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Okay? And here I have given 30 degrees. Here I have given 40 degrees. Here I have given 60 degrees. Okay? Okay? Next,
Yes, sir.
another triangle I am making. Huh?
Sir, can you tell the numbers sir, what you have given me? The
Here I
numbers,
have
sir.
60 degrees, 40 degrees, and 30 degrees. 60, 40, 30. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what?
What okay?
So it is clear that four
Yes.
AB equal to 5, BC.
No, sir. 180 degree होना है, sir.
हाँ? 180 होना है. Wanted, yes.
हाँ, sir. गलत है, sir. 180 नहीं हुआ.
वो
No,
triangle
sir.
में होगा ना.
ये नहीं कह रही थी, मैं कही थी कि क्लियर है.
So 80, if you consider, a 60, 40, 80, if you consider, yes, it is okay. The shape of the triangle may not be like this. Okay. I am taking another triangle here, X, Y, Z. So here I am taking here 4, 5, 6. Now here, whenever you take it to consider like this, okay. So here I have given to you name the triangles which are congruent in this case.
Sir, AB
Okay.
equal to XY.
Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle dash. My question.
AB equal to XY.
AB is equal
Triangle
to
XZY.
huh?
Triangle XZY.
Triangle XZY. Is it right?
X, Y, Z.
Huh?
X, Y, Z.
No, sir. XZY.
X, Z, Y.
I'm confusing you a lot. I want a correct answer from you. If you learn the subject very clearly, then you will be able to answer it. You will be able to answer it.
Sir, what is the value of A? 80.
A 80 degrees.
B 60 and C 40. X Y Z.
XYZ is right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, if you say XYZ, I'll give the explanation. It is wrong. If you give the XZY, then also I'll give the explanation. It is wrong. I made a confusion along to you by being with this question figure. See here. Actually, this type of the triangle is not possible to construct. When this is
Yes,
possible,
sir.
that is not
Sir,
possible.
ये तो
When that is
दोनों के
possible, this
बीच
is
में
not possible.
बैठेगा ही नहीं.
हाँ,
Yes,
ये
sir.
actually whenever you take it, suppose if you say ABC XYZ congruent, angle A should be equal to X, A equal to X है, B equal to Y, B equal to Y है, सही है, C equal to Z, C equal to Z, सही है. Okay, ये देख के हम लोग मानना नहीं है.
हाँ, sir.
ये देख के नहीं मानना है. What to see? We have to see that sides also actually. But this is possible नहीं है. आप साइड इक्वल होता है तो एंगल्स ऑटोमेटिकली करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स इक्वल होगा. पॉसिबल नहीं है. ये अभी ड्रा करने के लिए भी ट्राई करो घर पे. प्रोट्रैक्ट मींस स्केल एंड कंपास लेके ट्राई करो. Then it is not possible to draw like that. If one is possible, the other is not possible. That is possible. That is
Sir.
not possible. Listen to me. Next, here why it is not possible means actually when you compare the angles here, sides you see AB is equals to XY होना है. AB is equals to XY नहीं हो रहा है. AB 4 है, XY 6 है. So that's why you cannot say these two are congruent. Okay, this is not possible. As you said XZY, if you see AB is equals to XZ, AB is equals to XZ. इधर 4 है, इधर 4 है. BC is equals to 5 है, तो ZY 5 है. AC is equals to XZ, AC is equals to 6 है, XY is equals to 6 है. So sides are equal. Then you cannot say that yes, it is right. You should check actually angles also. Then it is given. Why I have given to you like that? Because as per the definition of the congruency, sides should be equal, but here you are going to have the criteria. One criteria will be there. Some criteria will be there. It is not necessary to you to check all the parts. If it is satisfies the some parts, then you can say that the two triangles are congruent. So here actually this is not possible. I would have given to you either here if it is given 80, here it is 60, if it is 40, then it is possible. Now can you say what is the correct? ABC is congruent. Now it is figure is right. ABC is congruent to
XZY.
XZY. Very good. XZY. So now here the criteria of the congruency of the triangle. Let us see that what is the criteria of the congruency of the triangle. The congruency of the triangle criteria. Criteria is nothing but here we are having the four main criteria. One is SAS criteria. The second one is ASA criteria. The third one is SSS criteria. This is actually given to you in another way also. The fourth one is RHS criteria. 4 is enough for you. So SAS criteria is what? Two sides of the one triangle. Two sides of the one triangle and included angle. Two sides of the one triangle. So let us one by one let us discuss here. I am erasing this one. Okay. Two sides of the one triangle. That means triangle is taken into consideration. A, B, C. And here I have given to you X, Y, X, Y, Z. AB is equals to this one. And AC is equals to this one. I have given two sides. And this included angle is equal to this included angle. Okay. Here two sides and included angle. Here two sides, included angle. So yes, two sides of the one triangle and the included angle are equal to the corresponding sides of the one triangle, and another triangle and included angle are equal. Then you can say that the two triangles are congruent. it is not necessary to check the other angle. ये दोनों angle will be automatically equal होगा. So that is the axiom actually SKS axiom. So this is the one criteria. So now when you say that, you should be ready to naming. Naming is very, very, very important here. If I say the angle triangle ABC is congruent to dash, can you say?
XZY, sir.
XZY.
X, yeah.
ZY.
X, Z, Y. X, Z, Y you said. So when you say like that, see, you said wrong.
सर ZXY होगा ना?
It is wrong. Why it is wrong? Why it is wrong? See here, you are seeing that A से start हो गया ABC बोल रहा है, तो ये इधर से start हो गया इधर जा रहा है. See here, as per this, angle B equal to Z होना है, as per this one. But angle B is equal to Z नहीं है, angle A is equal to Z है. तो A का place में Z बिठाना है first thing.
Sir, blood is too much.
A का
Blood.
place में Z बिठाना है.
The body is blood.
Yes, sir.
For all this,
Yes, sir.
ज्यादा हो गया.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir, blur.
Yes sir. So fully black sir.
wait, sir, right? Now,
Now also blur sir.
सर अभी क्लियर हो गया.
clear होता है.
Yes, sir, clear.
Clear.
Here, whenever you say that
Sir.
A equal to, yes. No.
Sir, can you sir repeat once again what you said?
I'm saying now, angle A equal to Z है, so A का place में Z compulsory बैठना है. That's over. Now here one thing is that AB equal to XZ. You are thinking XZ. So ZX also you can write. That is the wrong thing. That's why I told you in the first when I explained to you, you can write the side AB is equal to XY लिखता है. अब एक ही तरह सीखता है तो this is a wrong way you are going to learn. You can learn in a multiple different ways. What are the possible different ways are there? That all you have to see here. You are thinking that AB बोले तो ये XZ है. So AB equal to XZ है बोले XZ लिखना है. Next Y होगा XZY. That is a wrong thing. XZ can be written as ZX. See here AB equal to ZX होगा. So if Z is already इधर बैठा है तो ZX लिखना नहीं पड़ेगा. So next Y होगा. Whether it is right or wrong you have to see. इधर AC is equals to YZ. So AC is equals to YZ नहीं आया ZY आया. Right है. Now this is the right way of writing. These things you have to learn. Naming the triangle is really, really very, very important. If you learn these types of the different questions I have given to you, if I give it to you, then you should be ready to answer it. Did you understand? And when you think here, so how can we replace this one into the actually when you turn this one to the triangle upwards, then ये ऊपर लेके गया तो इधर Z आया है, ऐसा आया. बस इसको डायरेक्टली इधर बिठा नहीं सकते. अब यस यू कैन से ये Z है, X है, Y है. now इधर लेके आके इधर बिठा दो, दोनों कोइंसाइड हो गया. इसको डायरेक्टली इफ यू ट्रे इन समवेयर एल्स you try, then they will not coincide. Here and there, then completely ulta kar lo. And after you take this one and this, you keep it here on that triangle.
Sir.
Both will be same. Yes, sir.
सर आपने जो सर लास्ट में बोला ना कि सर ZYX क्यों नहीं होगा सर, वो सर मुझे समझ में नहीं आया था. मीन्स ZYX सर क्यों नहीं होगा सर, वो एक बार फिर से बोलिए.
ZXY ही होगा.
नो सर, मतलब मीन्स why it will be not ZYX sir.
Why it is not ZYX you are asking. Very good. Why it is not ZYX? If you write ZYX, AB should be equal to ZY. AB equal to ZY. AB here one line is there, here ZY two lines is there. It is not satisfying that. Okay.
Okay sir, okay.
That's why you cannot write like this. Only see here, if you want, I will give you to you one more way. Here I am erasing this one. I will give these two figures and I will ask a question to you. Triangle XYZ is congruent to triangle dash.
Triangle X Z Y.
Here XYZ I have given. I want answer here in ABC.
Sir, BCA.
CBA.
BCA.
BCA, sir.
Okay, you are saying that BCA. How to write is very important. फर्स्ट एंगल क्या है, इसको ये है जेड है, इधर जेड का प्लेस में ये बिठाना है फर्स्ट. सी हियर कंफ्यूजन है तो सिंपल थिंग है सर, ए का प्लेस में जेड बिठाना. देन आफ्टर हियर यू नीड टू हैव आइदर बीसी और एसी, बीसी और सीबी. ओके, सो नाउ हियर यू आर हैविंग XY. So here if you are have the XY, ये XY का बारे में नहीं लिखा है. So XY actually XY will be equal to BC, but BC can be written as CB also. So that's why you are not supposed to see that one. Here what are the equal things are given to you? XZ. XZ is equal to AB. So XZ equal to AB. So first and last में है, इधर ये है, इधर B आना है. So XZ equal to AB or BA. Automatically इधर C है, BC है, right? This is a way to write. I think with this, some of you have got some doubts, and some of you are clarified you very clearly. आप अच्छे से सुनता है तो आपको डाउट क्लैरिफाई होता है, नहीं सुनता है तो और कंफ्यूजन ज्यादा बढ़ता है. Simple thing is that here, simple thing, naming is very important, because this question is given to you in something different way. By changing that, and most of the students will not be able to answer it. So you should be able to answer that one also. So HAS हो गया है. Then after, the next one is, second criteria is ये SCA you can take into consider, or you can write as AAS. Both are same only. You cannot consider that these two are different. Two angles of a one triangle. This angle is equal to this one. This angle is equal to this one. And this side is equal to this side. Then these two triangles are any two angles and any side. Two angles of a one triangle and corresponding angles of the one triangle and any side, corresponding sides, one side. Suppose, sir, here if it is given to you, instead of this one, here it is given to you. Okay, first let us discuss this point, then after we will go to this one. Okay, now can you name the triangle ABC congruent to triangle dash in this situation? What to do here? Very clearly, A equal to Y है, तो A का प्लेस में Y बिठा दो.
Y
एंगल B is equal to Z है, Z बिठा दो, Y Z X. Whether it is right or wrong, you need to check. How? AB, whether AB बोले तो first two. इधर YZ. Okay, this is everyone can do it. Suppose I have not given this, and I have given here. Are they congruent? Are they congruent?
No, sir, not congruent, sir.
They are not congruent. Suppose if I have given here. Sorry. Yes. Yes. Like this I have given. Are they congruent? Like this, just like a game you have to play. इधर से उधर चेंज करो, उधर से इधर चेंज करो, अपने आप चेंज करते चेक करते जाना है. जस्ट लाइक ए गेम ओनली हियर. अभी देखो, ट्राई करो.
No, sir,
It's
they are not
possible.
congruent.
See,
No, sir.
they're not congruent.
No, sir.
No,
How
sir.
can you say they are not congruent? By checking you have to see. See, I will tell you. What to do here? ABC लिखा है. A equal to Y है. A का प्लेस में मैं Y लिखता हूँ suppose. And C equal to Z है. C का प्लेस में Z लिखता हूँ. बीच में X आना है. Now, as per if you write like this, then AB should be equal to YX होना है. But here मैंने XZ दे दिया. So it is not possible. It is not possible. So whenever it is given to you like this, it is not possible. Suppose here if I have given to you like this, then it is possible. This is right. Because AB equal to XY, YX. Both are same. This is called ASK congruency, or AAS also you can say. Here it is not included. In this case, you can better you write AAS, two angles and side. Sir, if you take here AAS or AAS, yes, angle side. Suppose ये दोनों का एंगल का बीच में ही दिया है, ASCA you can write. Automatically both are same only. This is called as ASCA congruency. The next congruencies are very simple two congruences. Here there will not be any confusion regarding that. The third one is SSS congruency. Side congruency. Side congruency is nothing but A, B, C. X, Y, Z. Three sides of the triangle and corresponding. Suppose I have given to you here two sides. Here 3 and here 2. Can you name the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle dash? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle dash.
ZY.
ZXY.
ZXY.
ZX. Let us check. AB, ZX, सही है. BC, XY, BC 2, XY सही है. AC, ZY, AC 3, ZY 3. Here 3 representation is nothing but its length equal. Very good. Now you came to the one conclusion, I think so. This is SSS congruency. Now let us move to the RHS congruency. If you take into consider RHS congruency, that is called, this is right angle, R is nothing but right angle, and H is nothing but hypotenuse, and this is nothing but any side. So in a two right angle triangles, that triangles to be taken as a right angle triangle. Two triangles have to be taken as a right angle triangle. This right angle and this is right angle. Okay. Always I don't want to write in the same way.
Sir, blood is burn.
अरे सेट हो जाएगा, थोड़ी देर वेट करो. Is it visible to you now? Is it visible to you now?
Yes, sir.
Y
why-
XZ.
Check.
Triangle YXZ.
Sir, triangle
Y,
YXZ.
X, Z. Normally see here. Angle B equal to angle X. Angle B equal to angle X. सही है. AC should be equal to YZ. BC should be equal to XZ. BC. Suppose if I have given here, instead of two lines here I have given. Yes, tell me.
ZXY.
Z ZXY. See, so let us take here XY, BC. Both are equal. XY, BC are equal. And AC, ZY. AC, ZY. Angle be equal to angle. Let's see here. Now you understood. This is about the basic congruencies what you are having. Congruencies of a triangle. And based on this exercise 7.1 will be the 7.1 problem we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. If you have any doubt on these topics, you can ask now. Do you have any doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Logan.
sir, I clarified all the things, but at the first, sir, when you told now, means the first problem when you started the congruence of triangle in this class. At that time, sir, the board was blurred and I was not unable to understand what you told.
You see here,
What means not to
the
explain,
video
sir.
is recording and I'm going to give it to you the video. Don't worry about that. And see that video if you are unable to see that. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay? Thank you. And you can leave. Attendance was taken.